And that continues down here, and then we get these more circular parts here, which are going to be the
intestinal glands.
Okay, intestinal cells, intestinal glands, either one. And then this bottom portion, muscular mucosa. It kind of looks like muscle, smooth muscle there. It's better in some places than others. It's a little bit better, but not stellar. All this, submucosa. And then we're back down to the circular and longitudinal. Of the muscularis externally. Oh, and a lymph nodule, let's see. I think there was one on this one. What was that big one on there? Oh, there it is. Yeah, there's two. So lymph nodules here, all that, and here. So you're looking for a dense clumping of the cells.
No, that whole structure.
What is it?
Sublingual.
That is the
Liver.
Oh, liver.
Liver. So again, we only have three things in this thing, in this slide. So even though it's really, really small, what could that be right there?
hepatic.
Okay, hepatic duct. You're going to call it a bile duct in your sheet there?
Oh, bile.
Bile duct, okay. And then the cells, the actual cells themselves. Okay, hepatocytes, and that's what that, whatever there is. And then the spaces that go in between the cells, sinusoids, all the white winding spaces that appear. And, oh, just a few more. What is it? Tongue. Okay, so the slide over there was asking what all this bottom part was. That was the skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle. All of this layer is lamina propria. The projections.
Stratified squamous. Oh no.
Projections are the
Filiform papilla.
And then all of this other stuff up here.
Stratified.
That's the stratified squamous. So all the cell layer, I'll go one more. All the cell layer is the stratified squamous, and then the projections of the filiform papilla, and then the lamina propria is all this right here, and then the skeletal muscle. What else is in here?
Adipose.
Right there. All the white balloons.
Skeletal muscle reminds me of a steak.
What's on the left? Artery. Right?
Vein.
This layer right here.
Intima. Tunica intima.
This layer right there.
Tunica media.
This layer right out here.
Tunica externa.
This is a
Vein.
Yep.
Sublingual.
A sublingual. Okay. That thing.
Salivary duct.
This thing. What else is left?
Serous
Stimulans. Right here and right there. So the little caps, the commas that go across the mucous serous diminuans. Again, there is serous acini in here, but you don't need to be able to recognize it. It's what would be in between the mucous acini, but because there's not a lot, it's not as clear. Pancreas. I like the slide that was over there. That was a good slide. really tell the difference in the surrounding cells there, what they were. I'm sorry. So like this one here,
That's it.
yeah, the islet. So
Islet.
very different looking than the rest of the surrounding tissue, which is the pancreatic cassini. And then we have the pancreatic duct over here. Okay, we'll go with this little one for right now. But any circle of cells in that particular organ, that's the pancreatic duct. Anybody tell me what we haven't covered? What's the slide we have left? Stomach, all right. Ah, yay. Okay, we have the same types of structures. Simple columnar, lamina propria, muscular mucosa. The simple columnar looks weird in this one, but it lines the what? What are all these gastric pits? So again, the gastric pit would be asked more with a pointer here to ask what's the opening at the end of the pointer, and that's the gastric pit. Lamina propria, again, would be any of the background cells here. Then we have the gastric glands, which are any of these structures down in here. And then the muscularis mucosa, again at the very base of the mucosa layer, followed by the submucosa, and then the different cuts of circular, longitudinal, and oblique in the muscularis externa layer.
So we don't even know the circular and longitudinal.